Hey, what's up? It's Vince for the hashtag Very Cool Guys, and back on night work, and we're in the middle of remodeling school for one of our clients, and part of the scope of work is to remove some of this. Well, throughout the school, we have to remove this wall carpet, and we've done this in numerous amount of times in other schools, and generally, we've experienced this wall carpet up with carpet adhesive. But one of the last projects, I was assured that on that project, they found that the school had their wall carpet up with wallpaper adhesive. And actually, the wallpaper adhesive or wallpaper paste is the correct way to put this wall carpet up. And when we've installed this wall carpet in the past for this client, we've actually used the wallpaper adhesive or wallpaper paste. But very rarely do I find that when I come in behind other contractors and have to remove this wall carpet. So we came into this job. We're remodeling the whole school. So we came into this job hoping for the best, but prepared for the worst. One of the project managers said, I'm telling you, all you're gonna have to do is just peel that away like wallpaper, it's gonna come right off. But this is what we were met with. This is what we were met with in this room, where it's the first evening of the job. We were met with yellow carpet adhesive throughout the entire room. So, how do we deal with this? There was a couple of ways to deal with this debacle. Number one would have been to scrape all this yellow carpet adhesive off the walls and then try to skim coat these walls smooth, even though all of the paper facing has just come off of the drywall, the existing drywall. Second thing we could have done would have been to possibly cut right above this chair rail, take out the drywall below, and then patch the walls. Nasty butt joint in the middle of the wall, but it would have been covered by the chair rail, so it wouldn't have been so horrible. Or we chose option 3, which is to install 1/4-inch drywall.
Well, let's glue it and put it up.
1/4-inch drywall. The guys are gonna glue it up and put it up right now, but there's Mikey boy. So we basically have laminated the walls with 1/4-inch drywall, and it actually fits up under the chair rail where the old wall carpet used to go. So all we'll have to do is we have a nice new paper face again, nice fresh start. We'll have some drywall joints to do and some drywall finishing, but it's better, in our opinion, it's better than having to skim coat the entire walls. So we hope for the best, but we're prepared for the worst, and we'll get it done. Thanks a lot, and have a good night, morning, day, whatever you'd like.